Here is a question in indices that you may want to give it a try. So pause the video, make your own attempt, and check from the answers A, B, C, and D. Okay, here is a solution that I propose. Okay, we have a half raised to the power n multiplied to 4 to the n multiplied to the fourth root of 2 to the power 3 all to the power n is equal to 16 to the power half. Now let's start by expressing each of them in the simplest index form as we progress. We notice that from the first look of things we see we can change 4 to an index number whose base is 2. This one is already in base 2, and we can change 16 also to an index number whose base is 2. So let's convert everything to an index form with the base 2. 1 all over 2 to the power n. From the laws of indices, 1 all over 2 is the same as 2 to the negative 1. Raised to the power n, we multiply the powers. Negative 1 multiplied to n, it becomes 2 to the negative n. All right, so this expression, this first one here, is 2 to the negative n. Let's take the second one. 4 to the power n. 4 we know is 2 squared raised to the power n. That means we multiply out the powers. 2 multiplied to n is 2n. Then we take this other one. The fourth root, 2 cube, all of that, n. Fourth root means power 1 quarter. So we have 2 to the third raised to the power 1 quarter, and all of that raised to the power n. Okay, so we carry out the same thing that we've been doing with the rest. This power multiplied to this power multiplied to this power. So we're going to have 3 multiplied to 1 quarter multiplied to n. Since this is a fraction, 3 can also be written as 3 all over 1. N can also be written as n all over 1. So that we end up having, since we cannot reduce this, there are no common factors that can cancel out. So we take the numerators, multiply them out together. 3 multiplied to 1, 3 multiplied to n, 3n. All over 1 multiplied to 4 multiplied to 1 is 4. And so the base is 2. So we say this is 2 raised to the power 3n all over 4. Now, 16 to the power half. 16, first of all, is 2 to the power 4 raised to the power half. Again, we carry out the same procedure up here. This power multiplied to this power. 4 multiplied to a half is simply 2. So we have 2 to the power 2. All right, so now let's rewrite all of this expression with the common base 2, since we have expressed everything with the base 2. So it's going to have 2 to the negative n multiplied to 2 to the 2n multiplied to 2 to the 3n all over 4, 2 to the 3n all over 4. All right, is equal to 2 squared. Okay, so what we get here, when we're multiplying the bases are equal, we just simply add the powers. So we have 2 to the negative n plus 2n plus 3n all over 4 is equal to 2 squared. When we carry out this addition here, we have negative n plus 2n is going to be n. And then now n plus 3n all over 4 will give us 7n all over 4. Okay? Will give us 7n all over 4. So we have 2 to the 7n all over 4 is equal to 2 squared. 2 squared. Now, this index expression equal this index expression, that can only be true if their bases are equal and the powers are equal. Already the bases are equal, the bases are 2, and so the powers, we now equate the powers. 7n all over 4 must be equal to 2. So we have 7n must be equal to 8. From here, n is 8 all over 7. N is 8 all over 7. Whose answer, therefore, is the option D.